In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Flight Price Alerts in our step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or a spontaneous getaway, staying informed about flight prices is crucial. So, let's dive into making sure you never miss a great deal again. To start, you'll want to open either your desktop or mobile browser and head over to Google Flights. It's an incredibly user-friendly platform that allows you to explore flight options with ease. Just a quick note, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. This step is essential because you'll need to be logged in to save those all-important alerts. Once you're on Google Flights, the next thing you'll do is enter your departure city, preferred destination, and the dates you're considering for your travel. Google Flights will then present you with the available flight options that match your criteria. It's a good time to browse through these options to get an idea of what's available. Now that you've got an overview of the flights, it's time to turn on price tracking. As you glance at the top of your search results, you'll spot the Track Prices option marked by a bell icon. Go ahead and toggle this on. When you do, you'll be given a couple of choices. You can track prices for specific dates, which means you'll receive alerts for those exact flights you've been eyeing. Alternatively, you can choose to track prices for any dates, letting Google inform you about cheaper flights across a flexible range. This option is particularly helpful if your travel schedule is adaptable. Once you've set up price tracking, Google takes over from here. You'll receive email updates about any changes in flight costs. If you're using the Google app, expect push alerts as well. These notifications will include crucial information like price drops, such as, hey, the price for your flight to Tokyo has dropped by $85. Alerts about price increases will also be sent, keeping you informed if costs start climbing. Plus, Google provides insights about the best time to book, helping you gauge whether it's the right moment to grab those tickets or perhaps wait for a better deal. Finally, managing your tracked flights is straightforward. If you're on a desktop, click the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 lines or a burger menu, and go to Tracked Flights. On a mobile device, you'll tap Saved, then Tracked Flights. This is your hub for adjusting alerts, either turning them on or off as needed, or deleting flights you're no longer tracking. And there you have it. With Google Flight Price Alerts, you're equipped to stay on top of your travel game, ensuring that you spot those price shifts and make informed